Hi everyone, it's Nabo Scooter. So now we want to teach you how to make this, okay, this Bubu kaftan. Let's just go straight up. So what we did was that on the part where they will do your measurement by where they take your yardage, so that was where we folded to get the length, because this is by 45. So this is approximately the whole 4 yards. Okay, we folded it. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You first fold into 2 like this before you fold again like so. Okay, the usual way they fold Bubu dresses. Okay, so the next thing we want to do, okay, is from here we want to get our knee measurement. Okay, and the knee, but if you see on that picture, is below a little bit below the knee, so we'll be taking our knee measurement is between 33 to 34. We'll be taking between 34 to 35. Okay, but we'll be using 34, okay, for this individual. So I'll take 34, and the next thing you want to get is to divide your hip measurement by 4. Okay, quarter of your hip measurement, and the hip measurement you're working with is 40. If you divide it by 4, it will give you 10. So I'll mark my 10, and I'm going to add extra 2" for ease and sewing, and I'm just going to connect what I have here, which is 12.5. I'll mark it down, straight down. I know you're not seeing the down, so we'll mark it straight down. If you notice, that thing is like an off shoulder. So for my fabric here, I want to come down by 6" like so. Okay, you will see where that thing falls, where the band started from. So I marked 6". Okay, and from this 6". I'm going to just take it all the way straight up like so. On this side, I want to just slant the shoulder a bit with 1.5. Okay, and the round chest measurement of that person, where that band is, we took it on the client's body and it was 39. You divide that to give you 9.75 if you divide it by 4. So this is it here. So from here we'll connect it to this 1.5. From this 1.5, you want to take the opening of your sleeve, and the opening of our sleeve is actually 5, but we'll be marking 6. From this 6, you want to just give a bow shape to this point. So you can see the bow shape. I want to take my hand a bit down because it's not going to be sharp. So after I've done this, okay, then this is just it. So this is for our sleeve. So I'm going to come in with my scissors and I'm going to snap, give it a quick notch here, so we'll know this is for our sleeve. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is just to come with my scissors and I'm going to just cut it up like so. Is this easy? Okay, so I'm going to be using this for my band. Okay, so it's the circumference of your band you're going to take, but I'll be showing you that. So the next thing is for us to just cut off our gown. So I'll be starting the cutting from the down up here. So if you notice, I'm not cutting where the chalk is. I'm actually adding my hand. Cut that. So now I'm going to give a notch here at the middle. Okay, I'll give a notch here too. So this is where our chest band will start. So what I'm going to do now, since that thing I have 40, I've gone ahead and I've iron paper stain on the what I have as my band. So what I'm going to do is just fold it like so and get exactly what I want to get. I'm going to fold it like this. Remember, I told us it's 39, okay, but I'm going to be cutting. It's better for you to have a little like allowance when you're cutting and stitching. So I'm not going to cut 40, I'm going to cut 41. So if you divide 39, sorry, so if this is 39, 19.5, I want to just keep extra 1 inch. So this is where I'm going to cut through it. And I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to just cut here and align it to the size of the band I want to work with. So let's just go ahead. So everything give and take plus my allowance for joining, I'm taking 4 inch. So I'm just going to mark this all the way and I'm going to cut it. So now this is our band folded. Remember I folded it into 4 just to show us a sneak peek of what it will look like. So this is the 1/2 inch I kept out, and this is the exact. So now when you open it up like so, it's into 4 because the fabric is into 4. You open is this, not it. So we'll go over to the sewing machine. We're going to join like this. We'll open it up, okay? We're going to sew with 1/2 inch this way, and I'm going to sew all the way down. Then we'll come back and show you how to fix the band. So now we've gone ahead, we've sewn the shoulder. From the sleeve here, we sewed all the way down on both sides, okay? So on this sleeve part, what you're going to do is just to fold a little like so. Then you fold again to make it neat on the both sides. So you'll be left with this. We notched here for a reason. So look at it, okay? You can see it, okay? So you see, this is just it. So I want it to be done neatly. So instead of me to just sew it all the way around, I want it neat. So I'll be using one part of the back. From the back here, we'll sew it all to the front, so it will have a good finishing. But you can decide to just sew it all the way around at the same time, weave it, okay? But for us, I'll say this part where we have this sewn part, okay, I'll use my pin, okay, to place either of anywhere I want to start from, okay? And I'm starting from this part, okay? And I place it like so, and I'm going to pin it all the way around, okay? So this is it, okay? So I've pinned it around. I'll go over to my sewing machine. We're going to sew it all the way around. Then I'll show you how to do the finishing. So now you can see we've done it from the back, okay? So I'm going to just pull it out, okay? So on your own, okay, you can add 3 inch, no problem, okay? So now this is out, okay? And it's looking rough this way. Don't worry. So what you're going to do next is this. I'm going to just fold this in. Take this one, fold it like so. Are you seeing me? So this is exactly how I want to do it. And I'm going to go and I'm sewing closely to the line. So I'll be sewing into the other line, okay? Or you can fold like this, pin it up, sew from inside, whichever that will work for you. So I'll fold it like so, and I'll go over to my sewing machine. I'm going to finish it up, and on this down part, I'm going to just fold like this, depending on the allowance you kept for your hemming. I'll fold this like so before I'll go in with about 1 inch, because that's what I calculated when I was cutting the dress for the length. I'll sew it all around, I'll serge it, and I'm going to wear it on a mannequin. Then we'll show you guys. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and like our videos. If you like it, you give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Share our videos too. Thank you for watching, and God bless you guys.